Hi guys, so we just got the keys this afternoon and I decided to share a little moving in haul because we had to hit the stores for some necessities. So I'm gonna show you guys what we picked up. So we're very excited to be in our new home for the first day. We got the keys this afternoon. I am a hot mess. They've had some unseasonable weather. My daughter and I hit Burlington Coat Factory, Ross, Target, and Walmart. So I'm gonna show you guys everything we picked up. I'm gonna start over here. So Ross, we have a backyard, but we didn't bring flip-flops. So we do need to have some flip-flops. So my daughter picked some. I got some for my son, my little baby, my goodness, and curtains. So we're waiting on our window treatments to be installed. So we actually picked these up at Ross. Let me move this and show you guys. We had to get Poco something as well. I thought that was really cute. And it matches something from Walmart. We needed a bath mat, so I got this one for the master. And like I said, our window treatments are not in yet. Look at that. You can see everybody. So we're actually going to be sleeping in our guest room for a while until we have window treatments. So I did pick up some rods and curtains to install for our first few days. I'll show you guys the other two rods. So this is something my daughter really liked and that surprised me. So she apparently loves this chartreusey color. They were $19.99. There's 4 panels and it says that it's room darkening. So hopefully that'll help us not wake up at the crack of dawn. So that's from Ross. And then we skipped on over to Burlington. I actually found this one too for my son's bathroom at Ross. And then at Burlington, we found this for paper towels. So our old house used to have the paper towel rod mounted under the cabinets, but this time we'll have them on the counter. So we thought that would go well. And like the wood, necessities, people, necessities. And those are all from Walmart. And then we actually found this guy at Burlington. My daughter really liked it. It has lots of little wildflowers on it. If you can see, I hope so. Got a waste bin for the bathroom. She insisted on these at checkout. She's gonna put them in the freezer once we get the freezer cooled off. We also picked up some flip-flops for my husband. And then let me show you guys what I got at Target. So one of our showers is really super duper tall. So I'm hoping this one that is a stall liner, it's 78 inches. Standard is 70 to 72. So hoping that that is tall enough. And then we need some blackout curtains for our guest room where my husband and I will be staying until our room is done with the window treatments and all that. These are 95 inches, so each one is just 1 panel. So I picked up 2. I hope that's enough because these are not cheap. And then while we were there, the main reason I wanted to go is because I've been eyeballing all kinds of bar stools and I really like these from Threshold. So I picked up 2. That is all our Target had. But you guys, I have super Targets here. So I'm super excited. There's 2 on our way home from closing, so I can't wait to hit those up. So I'm thinking right here, we'll have 3 once I can find another one. So I'll unbox those and show you guys those in the daylight. But then on to Walmart. So we needed all of the necessities. We got a waste bin and tons of toiletries because we drove here with the majority of our belongings and just small sample size. So for every bathroom we got body wash and shampoo. Got some black curtains. Funny story, so we were here last week for our walkthrough and they had a really beautiful gray curtain at Walmart that I knew I wanted for my son's room, but apparently a lot of people are moving here. So another gal and I were on the curtain aisle looking at everything and looking at each other going, they don't have much. So I'm gonna check back and see if they have the other ones because I can use these somewhere else in the house. And we have a large curtain above our garden tub. So we got a tension rod and this for a temporary bit of privacy. Question, so brand new dishwasher has anyone used these? Because I've always done the ones from the Dollar Tree, just didn't have time to hit that up. So, of course, the necessities like kitchen bags, and got some paper towels, some cups, some toilet paper. So we are on septic here. I never really did any research until that. We were told you cannot use any other toilet paper that isn't septic safe. And I didn't know Angel Soft is. Some paper bowls, and then for our counters, we can't use Blue Dawn because it will stain them. So they said any other color at our walkthrough, so I got some Green Dawn. And then Father's Day is going to be a, oh my gosh, did we miss it? I don't even know. But my husband prides himself on his dad jokes, so we got him a t-shirt that says Dad Joke Champ. Speaking of my husband, so appliances are hard to come by because so many people are moving here, and we have a fridge coming, but our things will not arrive for about a week. So he really wanted a mini fridge for his office. So we picked that up and we'll use that temporarily. It's also Father's Day gift. And on our way out of the store, we ran into someone with the same fridge in their cart. So they're, I think, probably pretty popular right now because appliances can be hard to come by. So we got the dog, the little bone, and then we found this blanket for him at Walmart. So he did great in the car. Once he was medicated, he does not like car trips. So he had a little poopy accident and we had to ditch his blankets in a trash can. So we're gonna be hanging curtain rods. I have a couple more rods to show you guys, but we needed something nice and strong to use as our anchors. So I got these. I think they looked really good, and it said for hanging heavy things like curtain rods. So when my husband gets home, hopefully he will approve. So we're just doing enough things to have like breakfast and snacks right now. So my daughter wanted fruit and protein bars, almond milk, got some stevia, and then some chips for the boys to snack on, and a few cereals, some tea. And then over here, we did pick up a coffee maker. So we're hoping to host a lot of things, and we will have a Keurig, but I thought I'd pick up a Mr. Coffee because that's just nice to have for large groups, and that way we were able to pack away our Keurig on the moving truck. And we picked up 2 pizza sheets. I don't know if my daughter put them in the oven. I'll show you guys. That's dinner tonight. I really like those pizza pans. They're $1.49, I think, at Walmart, and they're non-stick. And then we just got a bag of salad over here. So I'll show you guys the huge mess on the other counter. And that's what moving really looks like. It's kind of nice that this is here and it's not what you see when you come in the house. And yes, the dog's toys are everywhere. So let me pull out those curtain rods to show you guys, and I'll show you where I got them. So I failed to mention we picked up 3 long mirrors. They're only $6 a piece at Walmart. That's gonna be our temporary fix until I can find mirrors that we really like for our bathrooms. So I just picked up some curtain rods so that we can hang these tonight. It's already like 9 o'clock. So my husband said, pick up what you like. Don't get something that's a quick fix because I don't want to rehang the rods. So this one's a tension rod for our bathroom area. And this I eyeballed at Walmart many times. It's very sort of industrial looking in the black for my son's room. And then we got the other 2 front bedroom rods from Target. So we really liked this one for my daughter's room. And this one, I just really like the look of it, and pretty basic, but that one is by Project 62. And then my daughter's is from Opal House. All right, guys, just wanted to share we're here. We made it. The trip was uneventful, and thank you guys for your prayers. And give a guess down below in the comments. I will pin the answer in a comment below. How much do you think this little moving in haul cost me?